Hi everyone, this is Monica Peters. I'm a mobile software developer, and today I'm going to do a video review of one of my favorite online learning resources. It's called teamtreehouse.com, and I get a lot of questions on like how do I learn how to develop software, mobile apps, and what my preferred learning resources, and hands down teamtreehouse.com is my absolute favorite. I suggest it to anyone that wants to be the best mobile software developer they can possibly be. So I'm going to give a quick just a demo. I'm going to show you what I built recently with Team Treehouse. It was a really cool project where it was an iOS app, and Team Treehouse does all kinds of stuff with Android. They teach you iOS, Java, Objective-C, the C language, web development, Ruby on Rails, you name it, it's on there. And it's really well done. You get tons of help from the instructors at Team Treehouse. But one of the things that really stands out is the video tutorials. They're so well done. There's nothing like it out there. It's entertaining. Every time you meet a challenge and you do these tests, not every time, but when you meet some of the big challenges, you get a really neat, entertaining custom video, congratulating you. You get badges that you can show off and share all over the internet. But to show you this demo, for this one, it's in their iOS track. It's called Build a Simple iPhone App for iOS7. And here were the 7 stages to do this. And for each of these stages, like getting started had maybe 5 or 10 videos, 5 or 10 videos here. And also you had to do tests, things like that to get through it. So here's like the one stage. And you can see like right here, this was a test that you had to take. You had to get these 5 questions right here, here, and here. And that's how it goes. And once you finish it, then it goes on to your profile where you can see, like on mine, you can see I've mostly been working in the iOS tracks right now. So all of my badges that I've earned are mostly iOS, not all of them, but most of them are, because you even have other badges you can earn from bonus, other content, things like that you can do around the Team Treehouse website. So I'm going to show you the really neat app that I built with Team Treehouse. I'm going to run it. And if you've never developed any kind of iOS app ever before, this video tutorial from Team Treehouse will walk you from the very beginning, even installing the development software, all the way up to publishing this in the store. So this one, what we did is it has a background image and we animated it, added some text, added some sound effects, and when you touch the app screen, it will give you another prediction. And the animations are a bunch of graphics. They animate, and we also animated the text, the font. As far as the color goes, it fades in and out. The other thing that this one does is, so whenever you shake the device that this app is installed on, it will also cause it to do a new prediction. And it was a really neat, it's a simple app, but it was really neat. It taught all the concepts that are really important that you need to know about when you're developing mobile apps, things like animation, image views, IB outlets, buttons, labels, building custom classes. And like right in here, what I liked about the Team Treehouse tutorials is they walk you through and really explain in great detail like why you're doing what you're doing and alternative ways to do it. And while that sounds like it'd be long and boring, it actually is not, because their video tutorials really are entertaining, they're friendly, they're upbeat. It's my favorite way to learn. Even though I'm an adult learner, but I have to tell you, learning this way, the way Team Treehouse does it, it brings back that playfulness and the gamification, things like that that I remember from my childhood, that it just made learning fun. But they do it in a way where it's still for adults. It's definitely not for, well, you know what? Probably younger children could learn from this too. It's just really well done. I don't really see any age restrictions on the Team Treehouse for using it to learn how to be a developer. And I'm going to show you really quick before I stop. Here's all the tracks, the learning tracks. They got iOS, they got web design, front-end web development, Rails development, Android, PHP, WordPress, even starting a business. They have a library where it goes into what they call deeper dives, where you can hear from the people that work at Treehouse and really in-depth interviews about things that are really important to mobile developers, web developers, things from our industry that, especially if you're brand new, it would be good to know about, like how people are doing things that are already successful in the industry. So that's pretty much concludes my video review of Team Treehouse and the really neat iOS app that I was able to build by following the Team Treehouse video tutorials.